to you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, you take me high. Teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying detonate it. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Lil vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort, so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato. When Shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or a grand perk. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? Or the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. With that gorgeous face that don't know your name, it ain't important, baby, cause I'm a mine.
Fantasy,
Wow.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about it.
Let's play a little just between you and I. I'll be gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Jane, Marilyn and Robert White. Either way, the objective is the same, to please and entertain. My big son, my better be a stay. We'll get the spotlight all night, check every time we play. You will be my vixen as we improvise. Delivering a captivating performance every time. Why not be reactive? Pull out all the stops. You can pick the scene, if I can pick the props. You love our classroom, my office, masquerade expert, unoffice. We can play, the objective is the same, to please and entertain. My vixen, my better be a stay. We'll get the spotlight all night, check every time we play. You will be my vixen as we improvise. Delivering a captivating performance every time.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for UNICE hair, and today I'm reviewing this completely glueless unit that I am absolutely in love with, you guys. I love how quick, easy, and effortless this unit was to install. A lot of times it's very difficult for me to do any type of glueless units just because I have a smaller head and a lot of units just don't fit that great on me, but this one fits so perfect. as if it was made just for me. Like, I absolutely love that about it. And you guys know this is just like my typical look. Like, this is for sure like a great everyday unit. It's perfect for people who have a very like fast-paced lifestyle, or if you just don't know how to do your hair, or if you just don't want to spend a lot of time doing your hair. Look how amazing this unit looks up close. Like, it's just so perfect. And it's like pre-plucked. The knots are bleached on here as well, and the lace is pre-cut, but like perfectly. Like, I didn't have to cut any of the excess lace off. As I'm sure a lot of you guys know, when it comes to like glueless units, even with the pre-cut lace, a lot of times I still end up like cutting the lace off. So I like the fact that this one is like cut so perfectly that I don't even have to cut like anything extra off, because sometimes like they have like that extra, it'll be like a centimeter or so like of extra lace, and it has like the scallop edge, and this one, and I typically still end up cutting that off just because I don't like to have any lace. I like it to just be like straight like hair to scalp. Absolutely love that about this unit. That is just like so perfect. Like, I couldn't have asked for a better unit. I actually need to shift it back over to the middle because I had like lifted it up a moment ago for you guys. But the hair itself is like really soft. Love this texture, by the way. This is definitely the perfect texture, more so like my favorite texture, because this type of hair texture is low maintenance. The curlier the hair, the more work has to be done as far as like the upkeep, but something like this doesn't require a lot. And honestly, I didn't even need to put water on it. I had sprayed a little bit of water on it, like just to have something to do after I put it on. But this is literally a unit that you can literally take from the box, put it on, and you're good to go. The only thing that I did to just help it like match me a little bit better is just put a little bit of makeup on the lace, which was like so quick and easy to do. It took like 2 seconds. And the reason being, honestly, is just the construction of this unit has everything to do with how amazing it looks. They have the adjustable elastic band that's here at the top, which I love, but it has like a mesh like feel to it, and it also has like this rubbery piece to it. It's a little bit different from all of the other ones that I've seen. It's actually the first time I've ever seen the adjustable elastic band look like that. And also it has straps in the very back, which I can appreciate, because a lot of companies, they stop putting the straps like in the very back that you hook in, but I like the fact that this one comes with that as well. And it also has a really long comb in the back. The comb in the back is probably about like this wide, like no kidding, like it's super wide. So I love like how wide the comb is, because you can hook it underneath your braids or whatever, and this is just like the perfect fit because of that. This unit also comes with combs, and I want to say that this is a 5x5 closure unit. I will come up close here just so you guys can see like what it's giving. So the tracks start there on this side, and then you guys can kind of see there on that side. But it's like pre-plucked so good, and I love the color too. It's like a nice jet black color. It's not like super brown, because you can see like my eyebrows are brown, right? But the hair itself is like a nice dark black color, which I really can appreciate. And like I said, this texture is just so pretty, and it's lightweight. It's not overwhelming, because sometimes certain curly hair is just like too much, and it makes you just feel like you just want to put it up and get it out of your face. But something like this is definitely, like I said, on the lower maintenance side. It's very lightweight, and I like the length of this one. You guys know typically I like units that are like really long, like to touch my butt. I like really long hair, but this one is actually a decent length. It's not too long, not too short, and I like the fact that, like I said, it's very lightweight, more effortless type of like beachy wave kind of hair. I really do like the wave pattern in here. Like, I'll show you guys up close again what the wave pattern is like. It's literally like a nice wave, and I just feel like it looks so good on me. Like I said, this is definitely like an everyday type of look for me. And the other thing that I really like about this unit is the fact that the knots on here are so tiny. Like, it's so small, like you can't see any type of knots whatsoever. I didn't even need to put like concealer in my part or anything like that, because you guys know typically I would put like a little bit of concealer in my part just to help it stand out, but you don't even have to do that with this unit. Like, the knots are just so tiny, and this unit is just like literally perfection. Like, I have no complaints whatsoever about this unit. Like, look how good that looks. Like, how well they pre-plucked it, how well like the lace looks. Like, everything is just so perfect with this unit. If you guys are wondering, this is an HD lace unit, so that's why it looks so good. And the length for this unit is a 24-inch. So you guys can see, this is where it's hitting me in the front. It's literally like right here by my bust. And then if I turn around, you guys can see like it's like right above my butt. Right there. Back. And then I'll sit down too so you guys can see that. And a nice side view. It's just so nice, so pretty. Love this curl pattern, like I said. Okay. And yeah, this is a water wave texture, you guys. Literally, you guys know water wave is my favorite. UNICE just like, they just do it for me every single time. Like I said, they're one of my favorite companies to work with. I've modeled for them before, and they definitely have worked very closely with me over the years. Like they were for sure like one of the first companies that even reached out to me when I first started doing reviews. And yeah, you guys, this unit is just so pretty. Absolutely love it. I know you guys have seen me and looks like this a billion times, but I just had to show you guys another good one. And this one is just like so perfect because you don't have to use any product on this unit. You don't even have to like wet your hair. Like it's literally a no-brainer. Like I absolutely love this unit. I think they did such a good job like with the construction of it, the color, just like how flat it lays. It doesn't have like any weird spots like as far as like the closure, because sometimes certain closure units can be kind of lumpy. The density is perfect. It's not too thick, not too thin, just like a winner all across the board. Absolutely love it. So if you guys are interested in checking it out yourself, make sure you do check out that description box down below for a direct link along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below. Shout out to UNICE for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching. And if you guys are interested in this makeup look, I do have a vlog that has this entire like makeup look. It's like a get ready with me and a vlog. I will link it down below if you guys want to see how to get this makeup look. This is my everyday makeup look, and you know, get all the deets on what I do to beat this face. Definitely check that video out. It'll be coming out before this one most likely, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.